This is not a normal mouse. It's an AI-powered assistant that might completely change how you use your computer. We have used the same computer mouse for decades. Clicking, scrolling, dragging. Nothing has really changed. But what if I told you that the next generation of mouse is not just a tool for clicking? It's something that can actually think with you. This is the concept of the AI mouse, and it might quietly change the way we use computers forever. At first glance, it still looks familiar. A simple mouse sitting on your desk. But the moment you start using it, everything feels different. It doesn't just respond to your hand movements. It understands what you are trying to do. Imagine you are working on a document and instead of manually selecting options, copying text, or searching through menus, you simply tell your mouse what you want, and it does it instantly. Summarize this paragraph, organize this file, switch to editing mode, open my last project. It feels less like using a device and more like giving instructions to a digital assistant. Now think about editing videos or designing something. Normally, you would spend time switching tools, adjusting settings, moving between tabs. But with an AI-powered mouse, those actions can become fluid, almost automatic. The workflow starts to feel smarter than you. Even simple actions like scrolling, zooming, or switching applications could become gesture-based. A slight movement, a small pattern, and the system already knows what you want next. It sounds futuristic, but this is exactly where computing is heading. Devices are no longer just tools we control manually. They are becoming systems that learn how we work. But here is the interesting part. This kind of technology also raises a question. If your mouse starts understanding your work better than you, how much control do you actually have left? Are we using tools? Or are tools starting to guide us? Right now, AI mice like this are still in early development or concept stages. Not everything you see is fully available in real products yet. So the big question is not just what it can do, but when it will actually arrive. Based on current tech trends, early versions of smart AI-integrated mice could start appearing in the market within the next 1 to 3 years, especially from productivity and gaming hardware companies. And when it comes to price, this is not going to be a cheap accessory at the start. Early AI-enabled mice could easily be priced somewhere between $80 to $200, depending on features like voice control, gesture recognition, and software integration. Premium versions could go even higher if they are bundled with AI ecosystems or subscription-based tools. But just like every new technology, prices are expected to drop over time as it becomes more common. But the direction is clear. Every interaction is becoming faster, smarter, and more automated. And maybe in a few years, we will look back at today's mouse the same way we look at old keyboards or wired devices, as something slow, manual, and limited. Because the future of computing is not just about powerful computers anymore. It's about intelligent input devices that understand intent. And if that future arrives faster than we expect, the real question won't be what your mouse can do. It will be, how much of your work will you still need to do yourself?